Shoulder pain is a common complaint that can stem from a variety of causes, including injury, overuse, or even poor posture. If you've ever experienced that nagging ache or stiffness in your shoulder, you know how disruptive it can be to daily activities. Fortunately, there are several simple remedies that can help alleviate the discomfort and improve mobility. Let's explore these effective strategies. 1. Gentle stretching and exercises. One of the most effective ways to relieve shoulder pain is through gentle stretching and strengthening exercises. Engaging in a daily routine of stretches can help maintain flexibility and prevent stiffness. Shoulder rolls. Stand or sit comfortably. Then roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion for about 10 repetitions. And then reverse the direction. Cross body stretch. Bring one arm across your body and use the opposite arm to gently press it closer to your chest. Hold this position for 15-30 seconds and switch sides. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can significantly improve your shoulders' range of motion and reduce pain. 2. Heat and cold therapy. Both heat and cold therapy can be effective in managing shoulder pain. Cold therapy is particularly useful for reducing inflammation and numbing sharp pain. Apply an ice pack wrapped in a cloth to the affected area for 15-20 minutes several times a day. Heat therapy, on the other hand, can help relax and soothe tense muscles. Use a warm towel or heating pad on the shoulder for 15-20 minutes to promote blood flow and relieve stiffness. Alternating between heat and cold can also provide comprehensive relief, making it a versatile approach to managing shoulder discomfort. 3. Maintaining good posture. Poor posture can contribute significantly to shoulder pain, especially for those who spend long hours sitting at a desk. Maintaining good posture is crucial in preventing and alleviating pain. Make sure your workstation is ergonomically set up, with your computer screen at eye level and your chair providing adequate support. Take regular breaks to stand, stretch, and realign your posture. When sitting, keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the ground. By being mindful of your posture throughout the day, you can reduce strain on your shoulders and promote better alignment. 4. Essential oils and massage. Aromatherapy. Using essential oils can offer a relaxing and soothing effect for shoulder pain. Oils such as lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce pain when massaged into the area. Dilute a few drops of essential oil in a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, and gently massage it into your shoulder using circular motions. This not only helps relieve pain but also promotes relaxation. You might also consider visiting a professional massage therapist for targeted treatments. They can help release tension and improve circulation in the affected area. 5. Stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet. Believe it or not, hydration and nutrition play a vital role in managing shoulder pain. Staying hydrated helps keep your joints lubricated, while a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can combat pain. Incorporate foods high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid processed foods and sugars that can contribute to inflammation. 6. Rest and recovery. Finally, don't underestimate the power of rest. If your shoulder is in pain, giving it time to heal is essential. Avoid activities that exacerbate the pain, and allow your shoulder to recover fully. Elevating your arm and using a supportive pillow during sleep can also help in promoting healing. Conclusion. Shoulder pain can be frustrating, but with these simple remedies, you can take control of your discomfort and improve your quality of life. Remember to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if the pain persists. With a little care and attention, you can soothe your shoulder pain and get back to enjoying your daily activities.